Thinking about switching up your investments but don't want to lose the tax benefits of your existing ISA? It's a common dilemma. You've been saving diligently in an individual savings account, but now you've found a new provider, like Nutmeg, whose investment style or platform you prefer. The good news is, you absolutely can move your money, and crucially, you can keep the all-important ISA wrapper. This process is called an ISA transfer, and it's simpler than you might think. This isn't about withdrawing cash, which would cost you your tax-free status. This is a formal, regulated process. We're going to break down the steps to safely and securely transfer your existing ISA to Nutmeg. The first and most important step is this: do not withdraw the money yourself. A proper ISA transfer must be initiated by the provider you are moving to. Step 1. Start the process with Nutmeg. If you're a new Nutmeg customer, you'll see the option to transfer an ISA during your account setup. If you're already a client, simply log into your dashboard. You'll find a dedicated link to transfer an ISA. You'll need to fill out a short online form that requests details about your existing ISA, such as the provider's name, your account number, and the type of ISA you hold, stocks and shares, or cash. Step 2. Let Nutmeg do the heavy lifting. Once you submit the form, your job is essentially done. Nutmeg takes over. They will contact your existing provider and handle all the paperwork to ensure the transfer is completed correctly, preserving your tax-free status with HMRC. Step 3. The assets are converted to cash. It's important to understand this point. When transferring an existing stocks and shares ISA to Nutmeg, your existing investments are typically sold off. The money is then transferred to Nutmeg as cash. This is the standard procedure for a cash transfer, which is how most platforms, including Nutmeg, prefer to receive transferred funds to invest them into their own model portfolios. Just be aware that your money will be out of the market for a short period while the transfer happens, usually a few days or weeks. Step 4. Nutmeg reinvests your money. Once the cash arrives in your new Nutmeg account, they'll notify you. Crucially, they'll then invest it on the next trading day according to the fully managed or fixed allocation investment style you've selected. You'll see your money invested in your new portfolio, safely within its ISA wrapper. The whole process can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how quickly your current provider releases the funds. But remember, you only have to fill out one simple form, and Nutmeg manages the rest. It's the secure, tax-efficient way to consolidate your savings and move to a platform that better suits your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.